Here we go, baby. It's day number 27 of the $5,000 account challenge. We're up over $1,000 on the day. One single trade, one stock made us that money. Here it is. It was on Microsoft. Today we are looking for new all-time highs to be made, and that's what we got. It was a gap up this morning. The stock closing at around 496.5 yesterday. So we get a gap up this morning with pre-market highs being as high as $503. Now let me zoom out. In a lot of cases, I will say, okay, well, if we're looking for continuation from the gap up, we're looking for a break of the pre-market high. But what we got in the pre-market was a run followed by a pullback. So we didn't necessarily, so the stock's opening up down here, right? We didn't necessarily need to wait on this to get all the way to 503 before we took a position, which had we did, it would have worked anyways. So instead, what I said was, hey, let's just try to be somewhat aggressive here with our long level. We know that this is opening up under 501. We don't want to go long at 501, but let's just kind of split the difference between 500 and 503, set a long level at 501.5. And it was kind of this arbitrary level that wound up working for us really, really nicely. So 1 minute time frame here, what we get, opening two candles and then the move up to the consolidation. Now this stock begins to hold 501.5 as a point of support, and we're not buying during this consolidation. Instead, what I wanted to see was a break into the high of day, which is what we got right here. So I took the position, market buy, break into the high of day. I was expecting this to run right away, and it doesn't. It actually pulls back, and I was slightly concerned here. For a moment, I was slightly concerned because I bought the position literally at the top of the day, high of the day, and it turns around and goes red on me right away. But not freaking out here and not trading the P&L and instead trading the chart. Yes, this dipped under 501.5 for a split second, but it immediately got bought right back up. Next candle printed green, which put us pretty close to break even. And then we get the move up into the high of day, which gave us that 20% profit up to this price point here. And you know me, I'm a sucker for taking profits. When I was offered 20% profit, I went ahead and took it. I did look for a re-entry. I was expecting this to dip back down a little further to test this prior point of resistance as new support. I would have been tempted there to take a re-entry for the move up, but we really didn't get that much of a dip before this ran back up into the high of day even further. So it was a 20% gain on this position. I think the contracts topped out at like 85 or 90% had I held. I do have a little bit of regret by not scaling out of this trade because it was all-time highs. But ultimately, I did make the right choice to take the profits when they're offered, because if you zoom out, this did pull all the way back down to the low of day area before recovering into the end of day. So that's it in a nutshell. Day number 27 of the $5,000 account challenge, up $1,000 in the account, and we're up $14,000 since the start of this challenge 27 days ago. If you want to join the $5,000 account challenge, it's not too late. Click on the link in the description of this video. That's going to take you to the WAP. Sign up for the WAP. That'll give you access to the Discord server, which in turn gives you access to the live trading every day and the $5,000 account challenge. Come join with me. Start at any time with any amount. You don't need $19,000 in your account to follow along every day with what I'm doing. Thank you for your time. I hope the video has helped, and we will see you tomorrow for day number 28 of the $5,000 account challenge. Cheers.